Hello and welcome to this wall of sound unboxing video. Today we're looking at the new KEF KC62 subwoofer, which has newly been released, and we're quite lucky to actually have probably one of the first examples of this in the country. This particular example is the black version, carbon black, and pretty soon we're going to unbox it, get it out, plug it into our cinema room and give it a quick test. So what makes the KC62 so special? Well, the main thing is its size. It's one of the most compact subwoofers on the market, but still delivers a huge amount of performance, really deep bassy sound. It utilises two 6.5-inch drive units. What that means is the overall size of the cabinet can be vastly reduced, meaning that this is a very compact and easy to squeeze into a smaller room or a smaller environment, yet still delivering huge amounts of sound and bass, and very comparable to a lot of larger subwoofers on the market. As you're soon going to see when we get this out of the box, the unit only measures 250mm cubed. That makes it about a third, almost a quarter of the size of a lot of its competitors on the market. So confident at KEF with the powerful nature of this small beast, they're likening it to a kind of David and Goliath situation, that you don't necessarily need to have the biggest cabinet, the biggest sub, to still deliver the same amount of power. Without further ado, it's time to cut this box open, get it out and have a look. So the first thing that strikes you once you've lifted the polystyrene out is just how small this unit is in the box. I mean, there's seriously quite a bit of space around there. It's quite hard to see on camera how small that really is. So you've got another box of accessories in there, most likely power cable. So carefully lift it out of its box by the sides. Pop her down. And there we go. Really compact little unit. It's really hard on camera to show you just how small and compact this sub really is. I think the easiest thing is actually put something in there for context. Put a can of everyone's favourite fizzy beverage, and you can just see that it's not much bigger than a drinks can. So if we just spin the unit round now, just have a look at some of the connections on the back. So you'll see you've got all your power and audio connections at the back, with controls for your volume and your crossover, easily accessible. So I think the only thing left to do now is to plug it in and have a listen. So we've had a listen to it. It sounds absolutely spot on. If you're interested or want to find out any more information about this new KEF subwoofer, then be sure to get in touch.